A demand factor for a 4.5 kilowatt water heater using the standard service calculation method for a single-family dwelling is 100%. This means you use the full nameplate rating of the water heater in your calculations. While Article 220.82b of the National Electrical Code, which addresses general loads under the optional calculation method, does allow for a demand factor of 100% for the first 10 kVA plus 40% of the remainder. This is specifically within the context of the optional method. The question refers to the standard service calculation method. Therefore, for the standard method, you must use the full 4.5 kilowatt nameplate rating when calculating the service load for the water heater. The distinction between the standard and optional methods is crucial. The standard method typically requires a more detailed and conservative calculation, while the optional method can sometimes result in a lower calculated load due to the application of demand factors. However, the key here is to use the correct method as specified, and when using the standard method for a water heater, its entire rating must be included.